at this dude, bruh. He is in the middle of the road.
I need some help. The wheel lights still work though.
You can't park there. Wow.
My tail light fell out.
This dude, bro. That's part of your brakes. That's part of your brakes. I'm just letting you know, buddy. You ain't gonna have no back brakes. Hey, that's fine. My fucking torsion worked too. What's his name's house? I've never seen no shit like this. Man, what the hell, bro? What the fuck? Bro, it's like you didn't tighten it, bro.
No, they were tight.
Man, dude. The studs didn't break on your truck. They just came undone.
No, they were tight.
Man, the fucking obviously not.
They were tight.
They in the fuck. You wear a long sleeve shirt.
What the fuck? They just fell off.
Thing is bent. Ooh,
You were blinking?
nice.
It was too high.
Nice. Quagmire?
Giggity, 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 giggity.
Got the tire back on. It's a little crooked, but it'll be alright.
I mean, what you wrap?
Say that again? You left them wheel lights on, huh? That boy Jalen gave him a jump start.
Alright, where you going? I like that.
Looking clean, man.
If it's too bad for me to get to Shawi, then I'm just gonna.
Let's drive and see what happens.
Hey, by the way, I'm on right there.
But you got brakes?
Hey, you want to turn it again just to make that noise?
No, that was probably like that thing on the inside.
I think it came on all the way now. Yeah, it went on a little bit. Where you want to go? I'm gonna follow you. Should I take it?
Yeah. Tighten it.
Fuck.
These two are loose.
It's probably weird. Yeah, it probably see it back on.
Oh, well, hey, little slime. Me and little slime going right quick. Get up, fucking get some parts off that little cat eye. Getting the leaf springs off the back. The mechanism for the spare tire. And a fender liner off the front. And a back bumper plastic pieces. Yeah, we're getting it all for 50 bucks, so it's not too bad. Just gotta take it off myself, but I'm gonna get that way. The leaf springs I'll probably get powder coated. The back bumper plastic piece I'll probably get paint matched, so you know the deal. Slime, tell him.
Gotta go to work.
Gotta go to work. So I'm taking the leaf springs, but I gotta take the hitch receiver off. I'm taking the less spread tire thing, and I'm taking this bumper piece.
Backup cam.
I'm gonna just take that off. I don't need it. Got a couple interesting things happening today. I'm about to change my CV axles for one, because the boot is busted on one of them. Two, I got a new impact, so that's nice. 3, Keegan is coming to trade the dude that bought my old Denali, who has some 26x14s on 35s. Keegan's coming to trade him right quick. And Jonah is buying a side-by-side. So Jonah's buying a side-by-side. Keegan's getting some 14 rods, and I'm changing some CV axles on my truck. Good day. Good day. I changed my CV axles because I don't have the socket, but Traylon came to my house.
Trailing King trailing.
Sponsor us.
That'll never fucking happen. Look at this fucking idiot over there.
What happened?
Hose bust.
Same thing that happened to me, huh?
Hose bust. That's what happens when you run reps. I think it meant no coolant.
How you figure it?
Same thing that happened to me, son. Yeah, buddy.
Probably snap it back on.
No,
looks
it broke.
like it snapped
It
off.
snapped.
I
It
can't
goes-
see.
It goes into the. Yeah, look, it goes into there. And it clips on. Hey, you know how hard it is to take that bitch off? Because you gotta pull it off. It like you push it on, so you have to like physically pull it off, and it's a bitch. I have to break mine off. But I only have one line. Where's that line come from?
That bitch just came out by itself.
What the fuck is this? Unplugged.
Drawer out, I guess.
My shit's like that too. I don't know.
I was about to pull out. Said low cool.
You about to pull out?
Sabine this weekend.
Sabine.
And I got no gas in it.
That's the rule. What's that noise, man?
That sounds good.
That don't sound good. That's how the rotor hitting on the brake caliper.
It's probably his drive shaft or something.
Gordon, it's not pocket work that can hold up if I got to work on the truck.